Hello everybody, in this video I just want to show you the options available if you choose to travel and take your grounding product with you. Grounding is important to all of us, and it's nice to be able to take an item with you when you're going to be abroad or away from home for a number of days or longer. Obviously in the US we use the standard US or Canadian style adapter straight into the earth port of your socket outlet and has connections available for two grounding products, or alternatively a grounding product and a multimeter to do the testing. Now you will have to check when you travel to make sure that your destination does have or support grounding through the electrical system, but if it does, if it's somewhere like the UK, you can take an item like this. So this is the UK version. In fact, this particular product has the ability to connect 3 different items, or 2 items and a multimeter. And the important thing is that, once again, it has a solid steel pin as the connector to the earth. The other 2 pins above are simply locators, and they're plastic, so no electrical energy, no AC energy can go into your grounding product, simply the physical connection to the ground wire. If you're traveling to Europe, then likewise we have this sort of product. Once again, allows you to connect up to 3 different grounding products, and in this case it's 2 round pins that locate the product. These products are a little bit different, and in fact the earth connection is what we call a scrape earth, and at the 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock position you'll see a brass strip. So the product, as it is put into the socket, slides and connects the earth or the ground. Now some European outlets will not actually have the earth connection. They'll just simply have the 2 prongs for the electrical supply, so do be aware of that. And finally, if you're traveling down under, we have an adapter appropriate for New Zealand and Australia. 2 ports to allowing the connection of 2 grounding products, and just like the UK adapter, a physical steel pin that connects to the ground or earth wiring of the building and allows for an effective earth connection. So I hope that's helpful. There are a number of options, and we certainly encourage you to take your grounding product with you when you travel abroad.